Health officials in New Hampshire are currently monitoring the presence of Eastern equine encephalitis, or triple E. You might recall just last week a person with the virus died there.
Now, some are wondering if infected mosquitoes might travel north toward Maine. News Center Maine's Caroline LaCour joins us now from Four River Sanctuary in Portland to share what state health officials are monitoring and how you can actually protect yourself. Caroline?
Amanda, Brian, weekly testing here in Maine so far hasn't shown any signs of the triple E virus being present in mosquito pools. However, a handful of animals actually have tested positive for the virus in Penobscot and Waldo counties. Now, most recently, a pair of emus tested positive for triple E last month, and those two are now virus-free, according to a spokesperson for the Maine Center of Disease Control and Prevention. Now, earlier today, I got a chance to speak with Associate Professor Allison Gardner, who teaches the ecology of diseases at the University of Maine and often helps with the state's mosquito-borne disease surveillance as well. She says mild winters and hot summers over the past couple of years might be a contributing factor to thriving mosquito populations in New England and here in Maine.
And so what that means is that the mosquitoes are better able to survive over winter than they would be able to under colder conditions. And they're able to start breeding and multiplying earlier in the season than they typically would be able to. There's lots of time for mosquitoes to encounter infected hosts and then to subsequently encounter humans and continue to spread the virus.
Now, Gardner and leaders at Maine CDC also want to stress the symptoms of triple E. Now, while a lot of people don't show a lot of symptoms for triple E, if they do, it often comes in the signs of, a fever, muscle achiness, weakness, and in more severe cases, neurological symptoms. Now, if you're planning on heading to any sort of trail like the one behind me, definitely, especially during dawn or dusk, especially take into consideration wearing long sleeves, pants, socks, and even trying out any sort of EPA-approved bug spray to head out. The trigger's not going here, but definitely try and make sure to keep that handy if you're heading out. Live in Portland, Brian, Amanda, I'll toss it back to you.
Caroline, thank you.